biggest flag of India, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! And say hi. Hi. Say good morning. Where are we? So we have come here for breakfast. So guys, right now we are in Dwarka Sector 9 metro station and we would be going to airport metro line. So right now today it's boys day out, and because there is a function which is going on which is called as Pondugal. And what is the relevance of that function? Mama will tell. Anyone?
It is like Sumangali Pratna for the welfare of the women. So the women folk are invited, and it is a function especially dedicated for them.
Yes, that's right, guys. So we'll see. We'll explore city today. Both these kids would be going on Delhi Metro, and we'll explore the city, guys. We don't know what we need to do. We have like at least 2 to 3 hours before we go back home. Chalo, chalo. Road cross. Guys, you see these are e-rickshaw. I think they've started coming now in Hyderabad as well. Yes, this is the airport metro line. Little e-cycle. This is the famous Hanuman temple of Connaught Place, New Delhi. This is the lane, Hanuman Lake. Guys, this is the Hanuman temple, Prachin Hanuman Mandir. Guys, this is where PK's shoot was done. If you would have seen, there was a shot of Hanuman temple in PK and it was shot here. So yeah. So if you are a Hanuman Bhakt, this is a place for you guys to come and spend the most beautiful moments of your life. Yo, bye bye. You get all the puja items here. You see beautiful bangle shop. It's actually closed today because it is Monday. Right now we're going to a place called Malik Sweets, where
for its
paneer pakoda and gajar halwa and gulab jamun also.
He's saying it's very famous for paneer pakoda, gajar ka halwa and gulab jamun, guys.
And this shop has been in existence for the last 70 years.
Oh my goodness. So this is one of the,
third generation.
yeah, this is almost the fourth generation, you can say.
Generation almost.
It's been 70 to 80 years now. Like this shop has been put up. This is the famous Malik Namkeen. एक बार निकाल के दिखा है। This is the famous gulab jamun I was talking about. Next. This looks so yummy, guys.
This is still, you can still see the Delhi gajar, the real gajar here. They don't overdose it with mawa or meva, khoya. And you can see the Delhi gajar. One of the best gajar ka halwa you'll ever get.
Yeah. So guys, right now we are in the streets of Connaught Place, and if you see there, that is Janpath. Ba. So guys, this is the famous Palika Bazaar. This place is famous for street shopping. Most of them are like the export items that we get. You see, like there's some wonderful shoes, but see, there are like good sweaters out here. Some famous Air Jordan shoes, which you get for just 100,000 bucks. And our famous flag. Look how big that is, guys. Now,
Naveen Jindal had put up a case in the Supreme Court asking for the flag to be hoisted so the public can see from a large distance.
okay.
So this was the first flag which was like hoisted here in Connaught Place.
I see just how big that flag is. One of the biggest flags of India, guys. We are in auto, guys. Woo! And say hi. Everybody. Mama. नहीं यार दिल्ली हम दिल्ली के ही हैं यार. This Khadi India, guys, the famous Khadi India. This comes under the Ministry of Textile, and all the khadis that you see all over the place in India, they get exported from here. One second,
ट्रेन आ गया. We reached.
Hi, this is the mamas of the Delhi Beast, Ganesh Jayaraman. This is Arun, this is my elder brother Shankar. And he was really a beast when he was growing up. He would throw tantrums at the smallest of things. And we had a fun time with him always. He was a very naughty kid. But he's a very responsible, mature, and a very wise man now. Thank you for following us.
देखो 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 नहीं एक दूसरे को इधर देखो फिर एक दूसरे को देखो मम्मी को देखो सब
इधर
We're trying to get our flowers, Aisha. Party. Beautiful party. The most beautiful party. It's just.
Pondigal food.
Such a yummy, delicious food.
Guys, that's my mom. Those are last ornaments which she wore. So this is beans curry, this is vadai, this is South Indian aloo curry, this is paruppu, this is rasam, rice, aviyal, pachidi, more korambu, and it has some vadai in it. This is puliyodare and sambar. So we have everything set up today for a wonderful feast for us to eat. Alright guys, so we are now going to have a lunch in, this is called as Vada Ilai, which is nothing but plantain leaf. Wow, plantain leaf, that's a new word for me. It's a banana leaf, you can say it's a simple banana leaf. And Arjun is going to throw some highlights about this banana leaf.
I am.
Yeah.
Well, it's really healthy to eat in because the food absorbs the nutrients from the banana leaf,
Okay.
and it's better than plates because it doesn't harm the environment.
Wow.
Trying to chew his food.
I've spent a lot of time with him. My mother taking care of him, and then of course Visali taking care of him, right? Amma taking care of him. It was just impossible. If he comes to it, he will just turn the world upside down. North to east, south to west.
He's just on you.
Make sure you say who he is.
It's but
he
the
is-
is the Delhi Beast.
He's also called the Delhi Beast.
Ganesh Jayaraman.
Ganesh Jayaraman.
Yes. Okay.
So it's on record, guys.
Okay, there you go. Sumi, congratulations.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys loved it. If you would like to watch more videos like this, do subscribe to this channel and follow this guy, Aqua here 10 on.
Link in description.
Yeah, link in the description below, and show some love to his channel, guys. Bye for now.